Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss the importance of working independently. The importance of working independently. For class 10th, chapter number 2. This video is provided by Modern International School, ISWA. Today I related this topic. First, self motivation. Self motivation. And second topic, self regulation. Self regulation. This is the two important topic I discuss. My dear student, first of all I discuss what is the motivation. What is the motivation? What is the motivation? This is the motivation. The first, set new goals. Second, focus. I discuss what is the motivation. This is the diagram. First, set new goals. Second, focus on your dream. Focus on your dream. Third, stay positive. And the last and important, generate new ideas. New idea. The all 4 points. This is called to the motivation. Motivation, set new goals. Anybody start a new business. Anybody start a new any such type of innovation. The goals is always time focus on to the big achievement. My goals, I am the best teacher and I am the best teaching in all our student and I am the focus to all our student. This is my goal. But this is not the sufficient goal. This goal is related to how to improve my student. This is the actual goal. This is the actual goal. Second, focus on your dream. Every student Now your time, this is the crucial time. And those student, you focus. My dream, I have completed the NDA examination, IIT examination. But 1 to 2% of student and 98% of student, they have to the sleep mode. And you always time sleep, and they have to the always time thought. My God, I am entered in the IIT Delhi. This is not your dream. First of all, you set your goal. Then after you complete to the dream. And my third point, stay positive. Negative thinking is always time backward position. Now your time, this is the coronavirus impact, and all our school coachings are closed down. But how many schools are provided to the online classes? 1 and 2% school provided in the one online classes. Online classes provided means not to send to the any such type of material, not to send to the any such type of matter. You send to the actual fact. You send to the actual meaning. You send to the actual such type of topic, and you discuss the every such type of point. This is the actual online classes. I am very happy. I am working with the very best school. My opinion, my personal opinion, my model public school, and my director, honorable director, Mr. Anuj Kumar, is a very positive thinking. They have always time energetic. Their positive thinking, you always time to the energetic. And my last, generate new idea. After March, government announced school, colleges, and every such type of business is the closed. How many students you generate to the new idea? How many school you generate to the new idea? No. So many schools have closed the door. No any such type of generate to the new idea. So many parents are complaining. One and the two sentence, one and the two pronunciation by mistake. I am a human being, and my habit, I am not always time right. I am always time right. I am God. Every human being take a mistake, give a mistake, and you generate to the new idea. My modern school generate to the new idea. So this is the motivation. So thus can we say that motivation is derived from the word motive. The motivation is derived from the word motive. This is a Latin word which is required as a need that requires satisfaction. This motivation is just like to the satisfaction. My dear student, I again repeat, motivation. I am motivated. I am always time motivated. My all our dreams, all our goals, I am satisfied because I am the motivated. I teach to every student. I am the satisfied because I am motivated. This is called to the motivation. Again, I repeat, motivation is the actual meaning of motivation is the satisfaction. What is the reason of the motivation? My again question: what is the reason of motivation? You think about, because this two topic is not to the easy task, not to the easy chapter, very complicated chapter. Why to study in this particular point? Because every student, yeah, every human beings, yeah, so many hours, yeah, so many hard work they have to be tired of. This chapter is a always time motivated to the particular man. This totally chapter is related to the management chapter. What is the main reason of the motivation? Motivation is the main reason of first people action. People action. You are a good boy. You always time say that I am the best. I am the best. I am the best. But one and the two people is you ask to you, this boy is a very bad. The people action, your body always time reacted because you are not motivated. You all motivation is not any such type of related to satisfaction, but you related to the attitude. My attitude. My attitude is hard work. So any such type of reason. But I am work with the 10 to 12 hour. Now your time. And the past and the future. Because I am the human. This is the first the people action. Second, willingness. Willingness. Willingness in the term ichha. Willingness means ichha. I use to the one and the two sentence in the Hindi. Why the willingness is used to the motivation? Suppose now your time with the 10th standard. Every student you always time thought, oh my God, my selection is the very best college. I am selected in the any such type of top examination. This is the willingness. You not too hard work. Your willingness is end of the positions. So motivation is the important role of the every such type of the organizations and the every such type of the human beings. This is called to the motivations. And my last sentence is the goals. Goals. Your father is said. Your father is always time said that my child, my willingness, you are selected to any such type of top level examinations, but your father told to you, but you thought, I am selected in this college. You set to the desired goals. You always time hard work, because there is no any such type of hard work. Nowadays this is a competitive. The competition is very hard nowadays. So this is the all over part of the motivation. Again, I discuss self motivation. Self motivation. What is the self motivation? Self motivation. Self motivation. First of all, I discuss to the self motivation. First of all, I discuss a step for the self motivation. A step for self motivation. First, goal setting. Goal setting. These goal setting are related to three parts. First, short term goals. Second, long term goals. And the third, mid term goals. This is the goal setting. This all over topic, you just imagine, you just interrelated to your life. This topic is not to the any such type of connected to the other topic. This topic is a very important related to our lives. So this is first short term goals. So many students, my goals is the after 10th examination pass, and I left to the study, and I got marriage. Short term goals. So many students, mid term goals. So many students after graduation, I left to the study and opened to a small business. Again, I got marriage. Long term goals. So many students thought, I completed 10th, 12th graduation, and I completed in the UPSC, CA, CFA, so many such type of competition, and then after got married. This is the long term goal. My dear student, I again, Mukesh Ambani launched to the Jio, Tata Motors launched to the Tata Nano project. This is not to the short term goals, not to the mid term goals. This is the long term goals. Long term goals is a very beneficiary in our life. Long term goals is always time innovate to the new idea. This is the long term goals. So first, self motivation is related to the goal setting. Second, money matter. Second, money matter. So many parents and so many guardians, is always time said that school is locked, closed, and school is provided to the online classes. My child is not satisfied. How? Because today school announced money is not matter, and you watch to the video. Every parent's happy mode. My dear student, I again repeat, you always time set to the long term goals, because this time is very crucial time. हम लोगों को इसी में जीना पड़ेगा और इससे हम भाग भी नहीं सकते हैं. तो मनी इधर नॉट मैटर. ऑनलाइन क्लासेज यू मस्ट वॉच टू द वीडियो एंड यू थिंक अबाउट ऑनलाइन क्लासेज और लाइव क्लासेज हु इज द बेस्ट. I am always consider online class is the very best, because this classes is discussed to the all our point, because so many students not front of me, so I am honestly work. This is the money is not matter. Money is matter, but sometimes money is not matter. You are always time motivated कि I am the best. You set to the goals. I completed to the UPSC examination. I completed to the IIT examination. Money is not matter. Matter your ability. Matter your positive thinking. Matter your choice. तो money is not matter. How many students completed to the UPSC examination? 10 to 15, 500 students. How many students completed CA examination? Why I am always time set to the CA? Because CA is the toughest course. Money is not matter. Your ability is best. Your faculty member is always time set. This student is a very best student, and you completed to the CA examination in the all over India ranker. Your prize is the 1 crore rupees. Your all over expenses to the money again return back. Why money is the matter? Matter your ability. My dear student, again, third, stay with positive people. Stay with positive people. हिंदी में एक टर्म है, जिसके साथ रहोगे संगत का असर आदमी पर पड़ता है. They have always time effect. You sit to the always time bad people, your mind is the always time run away in this mode. So you always time stay with the positive people. आदमी का दो बैरियर होता है, my dear student. Why I am the discuss in this particular point? I am survived because I entered to the CA examination. There are so many people. Are you qualified to the intermediate? Are you qualified to the GMCS? Are you qualified? Mind is always nervous. You always thinking about, yes, this is the hard, this is the toughest course, and I am the very big student. No. Every student is a very energetic. So you always time stay with the positive people. Positive people means you always time say to the right decision, not to the bad decision. देखो हम लोग मनुष्य हैं, गलतियां होती है, ऐसा नहीं है कि एवरी स्टूडेंट एवरी मैन इज ऑलवेज टाइम राइट, नो. 98% पीपल हम में गलतियां ढूंढते हैं. 2% पीपल मेरी गलतियों को नहीं ढूंढ के मेरी अच्छाइयों को ढूंढ के सर्च अबाउट टू द बैड, not to the bad habit, you always time search about to the good habit, and you always time say that, my child, this is your positive area, and you always time focus this area. You work after some time, after some year, your goal is achieved. So you always time stay with the positive people. My fourth point, my dear student, choose a happy. Choose a happy. Previous chapter you have studied the stress management. You always time happy mode. जिंदगी है, स्ट्रेस आएगी जाएगी, बट दो यू ऑलवेज टाइम टू द हैप्पी. आई हैव फेल्योर, दैट सम टाइम टू द सैडनेस, बट यू आर टू द नॉट ऑलवेज टाइम टू द सैड. जो रोता है उसको ईश्वर और रुलाता है, दम कथित सत्य है. सो यू ऑलवेज टाइम हैप्पी कि my life is the best, I am the best, I achieved to the goal. लोग क्या कहते हैं, नथिंग मैटर. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, दिस इज मैटर. यू एक्सेप्ट I am honest man, you accept I am 100% work with a hard work. You always time to the happy. हैप्पी होने का मैं एक कारण बताता हूं. आप लोग आज से यू स्टडी विद 10 to the 5 to the 6 hour and you regulate to the 1 and the 2 month. रेगुलर नहीं भी मन करे फिर भी स्टडी करो, लेकिन ऑनेस्टी पूरी. सिर्फ बुक खोलने से बेटा कोई पंडित नहीं होता है. उस बुक उस सब्जेक्ट की मैटर को पकड़ लो, सॉल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम दूर. कोई 50 साल से भी स्टडी कर रहा है, कोई 1 साल में स्टडी किया, लेकिन जो 50 साल से किया जो वो कुछ नहीं पकड़ा, वो 1 साल में उसका मैटर को पकड़ के दुनिया के सामने ला दिया. तो यू ऑलवेज टाइम टू द हैप्पी मोड. आफ्टर 2 and 3 months you regular study to the 5 to 6 hour, regular honesty पूर्वक, and one day you are not studying, your mind is not happy, लगे यार कुछ छूट गया मेरे लाइफ से. तो you choose to the happy mode. And my last, avoid. So this is the 4 point sufficient. So my dear student, I am said that what is the self motivation. Self motivation I am not write down because the all our point to the self motivated point. So we conclude in this particular point, self motivation is doing what needs to be done, what needs to be done to reach goals without promoting or supervision, without promoting or supervision. Self motivation and high self esteem, happiness positions for life and success. This is the self motivation point. And my second point, self regulation. Self regulation. I discussed to the one diagram and they are sufficient to the self regulation. This is the environment. This is the personal self. This is the behavior. This area is the environmental self-regulation. This area is the behavioral self-regulation. Self-regulation. This total area is covered. This total area is covered self-regulation. Self-regulation. This is the diagram. This is the diagram. First, environment, personal, and behavior. What is the I am not write down. You just self-regulation is ability to manage your own energy. I again repeat it. Self-regulation is the ability to manage your own energy, states, emotion, behaviors, and attention. Self-regulation is the ability to manage your own energy, states, emotion, behaviors, and attention. This is the diagram. Environmental, behavior, and the personal. Environment is a very important role to the self-regulation because self-regulation maintains to the emotion, behavior, and attention. This is direct solve. Self-regulation is always time depend to three position. First, behavior. Second, attention, and emotion. Behavior related means personality, attitude, motivation, the all type of the behavior. You are to the best student and your behavior is the bad. Your self-regulation is drop down. Environment. You are a good student and you always time sit to the bad manner area. You always time sit to the bad student. So they have to the affected in the particular mind. So this is the important role of the environment. And to the personal means self. I am always time say that I am always time thought my behavior, my environment is always time handle. My behavior is good, my environment is good. My environment is good, my behavior is good. So they have to the synonymous. So I have discussed to the all word point. So, end of your topic. Thank you so much.